Everyone knows what you're supposed to eat in Philadelphia. A cheesesteak, right? Of course. But there's way more to Philly's ever-evolving food scene. The city's most iconic dishes are rooted in Italian-American traditions, original Americana recipes, and the contributions of many immigrant communities. Welcome to Things to Do channel. We publish new content every day, so make sure to subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell to be updated on our latest videos. These are 10 of Philadelphia's most iconic dishes. Cannoli at Termini Brothers Bakery. South Philly is known for its picture-perfect, family-run Italian bakeries, spilling over with sweets like torrone, lobster tails, zeppoli, and cannoli. Stop at the century-old Termini Brothers Bakery, where the cannoli is integral to the Philly experience. Cheesesteak at Tony Luke's. There's plenty of debate about where to eat a cheesesteak, but the point is simple: eat one. For better or for worse, there is no more iconic food in this city than the cheesesteak. Tony Luke's makes an excellent version, as do a dozen or more other places in town. The key factors are a great roll from a local bakery, flavorful meat, cheese whiz, and sautéed onions. Roast pork sandwich at John's Roast Pork. Philadelphia may be best known for cheesesteaks, but locals know a little secret: get the roast pork instead. The no-frills John's Roast Pork in deep South Philly has been perfecting the sandwich since 1930, even earning a James Beard Award as an American classic. And if you must have a cheesesteak too, this is an excellent place to get one. Tacos at South Philly Barbacoa. Christina Martinez's lamb barbacoa tacos regularly draw national attention to this small, colorful Italian market eatery. The lamb is marinated and cooked overnight before tender chunks, chopped to order, or served on house-made tortillas. Martinez gained so much attention for her restaurant that people wait in long lines to experience her food. Soft pretzel at Center City Pretzel. Ask any true Philadelphian about soft pretzels, and they'll tell you about how they considered them a basic food group when they were growing up, about the guys at every intersection selling them in brown paper bags, and about how they used to be much cheaper. Center City Pretzel opens its bakery doors at 4 a.m. to serve the hungry masses and get its wholesale orders out the door. For more than 3 decades, this bakery has been going strong and still makes its pretzels with just the basic ingredients: flour, yeast, water, plus that crunchy salt on top. Meatballs and Gravy at Villa di Roma. This homey Italian market stalwart is beloved for many reasons, not the least of which its famous meatballs and gravy. Get them over spaghetti atop ravioli, on a sandwich at lunch, even to grab and go and pass off as homemade. Just get them. Snapper soup at the Old Bar. For more than 100 years, this iconic dish, a soup made of turtle meat, vegetables, herbs, spices, hard-boiled egg, and sherry, was synonymous with the city's landmark seafood restaurant, Bookbinders. When Jose Garces opened the Old Bar in the former Bookbinders building, he made sure a modern version of snapper soup was on the menu. Roast beef sandwich at Old Original Nick's Roast Beef. This densely stacked sandwich of thick sliced roast beef, drowning in its own intense beef gravy, is messy. The queso roll soaks up some of the juice, but it can only do so much. But there's no doubt in the world that diners will be licking their fingers when the last bite is sadly gone. Hoagie at Wawa. Though Philly has many great options for hoagies, one place most locals can agree on is Wawa. Here, like most hoagie shops in town, the city's signature cold sandwich involves layer of deli meat and cheese on a long roll, plus optional dressing, oil, vinegar, mayo, seasoning, and crunchy vegetables. Ordering an Italian always works, and so does branching out to tuna salad, turkey, or roasted veggie options. Oysters at Oyster House. For the last 3 generations, the Mink family has been in the oyster business. The current location of Oyster House, which has been around since the 1940s, is polished, modern, and known for its happy hour dollar oysters. All of the seafood is served within 24 hours of being taken out of the water. Local gastronauts also recommended the fried oysters with chicken salad, a historic combination plate that dates back to 19th century Philadelphia.